My name is Michael Abrishamcar. I'm the principal and founder of Peninsula Design and Construction, Inc., located in Hayward, California. We service all Bay Area. We provide design build services for residential and commercial projects, including all the architectural, engineering, mechanical, plumbing, electrical engineering, as well as other 24 to facilitate our clients all the way through permit process, everything under one roof. At Peninsula Design and Construction, our team consists of professional designers, project managers, licensed craftsmen, and we don't just build houses, we build relationships throughout the process of the project. And that really sets us apart in a different ways from other builders and other design firm or construction firm. We are certified LEED AP, we are PMP certified, we are OSHA certified, we are California Earthquake Association certified, as well as FH Food Handling certified for commercial restaurants and projects. And we are also licensed B general contractor. Peninsula Design and Construction was founded based on my passion on architecture and smoother construction process. And we provide integrity, reliability, and design build results. Yeah, most clients are worried about overrun the budget, delay, and communication. And we resolve those things by providing a transparent construction schedule, transparent change orders, and an effective communication throughout the process of the construction. We inform the client every day, and we provide weekly meeting to go over any issue that comes up. So basically, we open book in our areas, and we do communication to make things smooth for clients. At Peninsula Design and Construction, we believe your home should reflect your lifestyle and values. If you are ready to reimagine your space, let's build something extraordinary together. Design smart and build with heart.